A day in my life as a third-year college student na gagawin ng lahat para sa grades. So now, we are heading to Monte Vista National High School para puntahan yung isang teacher na nahanap ko na 10 years in service na sa pagtuturo. Samahan niyo ko sa aking mini vlog. Kasama ko nga pala ngayon dito yung mga kaklase ko. Bago kami maglakad papuntang school, ay dumiretso muna kami dito upang bumili ng makakain dahil wala pa kaming almusal. At dahil buy one take one, ibibigay ko ang isang piraso sa teacher na i-interviewin ko ngayon. At nagsimula na kami maglakad papuntang paaralan. Hindi lang halata pero kinakabahan na ako dyan. Dahil first time kong mag-i-interview ng isang teacher na 10 years in service na sa pagtuturo. Huminto muna kami sa principal's office upang humingi ng permission sa gagawin naming interview. Pinayagan naman kami kaya papunta na ako sa teacher na i-interviewin ko.
Good morning, ma'am. Before we start, may I ask you?
Hello po, everyone. I am Eleanor Martin, grade 9 math.
Let me introduce myself to you. I am Rina Dipecho from Bachelor of Seattle, Ottawa State Public Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Filipino. So, we are here to do some simple interview po about maraming salamat po sa konting oras na binigyan niyo po sa akin para mag-interview po. Konting katanungan naman po about sa teaching. So, here's the question po. First question po. Ano po yung mga strategies niyo nasa po yung
Talking of strategies, marami talaga tayo dapat gamitin para makalearn sila. Basically, I am mathematics teacher. So, in my class, lesson, I am teaching them not just to solve mathematics equation, but in my lesson, my purpose in teaching is in order for the student to survive this very competitive world. Okay, so I am giving them, I am always in every sessions, I am always giving them some moral lessons, shall we say, word for the day, in order for them to survive this very competitive world. Kasi called short-term memory, madali ko kalimutan. So, every day, I really have reviews.
Ano ba po bang may bibigay na advice lalo na sa mga beginner teachers pa lang, lalo na sa future educator?
Okay. For the information, kasi as a teacher, we really have this goal. We are going to make a difference in the minds and the lives of our students. So, in order for us to make a difference, pinakamahalaga talaga that we are going to do. Hindi lang dapat malaman sila yung academically na we can touch the lives of our students by caring. That's very important sa
At tapos na ako sa aking pag-i-interview. At dito, hinihintay na lang namin yung isang kaklase namin na hindi pa tapos. At hinihintay na namin tumila ng kaunti ang ulan upang makauwi na kami sa aming bahay. And this is the end of my mini vlog, and I would like to thank the Monte Vista National High School sa mainit po na pagtanggap sa amin sa inyong paaralan. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!